Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've been dreaming of launching your own hotel booking website but keep putting it off because you think it's too complicated or technical, today's tutorial is just for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a sleek, fully functional hotel booking website in Wix, using templates to speed things up so you can focus on the fun part, making it truly yours. Whether you're setting up a site for your own hotel, guest house, or a booking service, you'll walk away with a live website ready for visitors. Let's dive right in and keep things simple and efficient. To start, you'll need to sign into your Wix dashboard. If you haven't used Wix before, don't worry. Their platform is really user-friendly and walks you through each step. On your site dashboard, you'll see an option that says, Create New Site. Click that. This is where your journey begins. Wix will ask you about the kind of website you're looking to build, and at this point, we want efficiency, so we'll harness the power of templates. Up next, you'll select a studio template. Think of templates like a starter home for your website. All the basics are already built, so you don't have to start from scratch. Wix has dozens of these, tailored for different industries and purposes. Browse around and find the category that fits best. In this case, go for something like hotel booking. Take your time here, and don't be afraid to preview a few to see how they look in action. Picking a template you genuinely like is important because it sets the tone for your whole website. But remember, you can always customize everything later. Once you've chosen your favorite hotel booking template, click into Start Editing. This brings you inside the website builder. And here's where the real fun begins. You'll see sections for headings, images, and text that are all designed with hotels in mind, like a room gallery, reservation forms, and amenities lists. Start replacing the default content with your own. For example, if the heading says Welcome to City Hotel, swap that out for your hotel's name. Update the images to showcase your rooms, lobby, or local attractions. Nice quality photos really make the difference here. And don't forget to tweak the text so it feels personal and fits your brand. If you're someone who loves design, this is your moment to get creative. Wix lets you customize fonts, colors, and layouts easily. So experiment a bit to get a look that matches your style. Maybe adjust the color scheme to reflect your hotel's mood. Cozy, modern, or luxurious, whatever represents you best. And if you're feeling overwhelmed by all the options or something doesn't look quite right, just take a breath. Wix has an undo button and lots of helpful tips along the way. The key is to make the site inviting and simple for visitors to find what they need. When you're satisfied and everything looks just right, go ahead and click the Publish button. This step is always exciting because your site instantly goes live for the world to see. Once published, follow the prompt to view your live site. This allows you to check it from a visitor's perspective. If you notice anything you'd like to tweak, just pop back into the editor and make changes. You can publish updates anytime. And just like that, you've launched your own hotel booking website on Wix. See how quick and smooth it can be when you use templates and tools made for efficiency? If you found this tutorial helpful and you're already imagining your first guest booking through your shiny new site, please give this video a thumbs up. Drop any questions below. I always check the comments and love helping out. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your hotel booking site.